Introducing Epson Vision Guide. With nearly 3 decades of robotic vision industry experience, known for its ease of use, Epson Vision Guide is a full-featured integrated solution for robotic guidance, identification, gauging, and inspection. Epson Vision Guide offers a wide variety of tools specifically made for vision guidance applications, featuring built-in kinematic equations and advanced algorithms for high-precision parts placement. With both mono and color cameras, up to 20 megapixels, Vision Guide can utilize the vision system to verify part dimensions before final assembly. Reading 1D and 2D barcodes, as well as QR codes, allows identification and verification of parts to your automation process. Even characters can be read as well. Remove defective parts from production line to improve quality, as well as uptime. Epson Vision Guide offers inspection to detect known defects. For optimum precision, Vision Guide supports true geometry-based calibration. A wide variety of calibrations are available, including fixed and mobile-mounted cameras for both 6-axis and SCARA robots. Experience the ultimate ease of use with hands-free calibration. There is no need to manually move the robot for calibration. Simply select the point of interest on the software screen for quick and easy calibration. With 3 core commands, vrun, vget, and vset, Vision Guide offers easy configuration and a flowchart style of vision programming. Simply drag and drop to add more tools to the vision sequence to process the images. A full suite of powerful vision tools is at your disposal to find, measure, and inspect parts and features, making virtually any application possible. Easily expand Vision Guide by adding up to 6 plug-and-play cameras per system. Fine-tune your application before hardware setup with the built-in 3D simulator. Visualize how the robot and vision system will work together, optimize camera placement, and test out field of view. Epson Vision Guide is also fully integrated with the IntelliFlex parts feeding system and conveyor tracking options for quick and easy setup. Vision Guide works with the entire lineup of Epson SCARA and 6-axis robots, from our ultra low-cost all-in-one robots to our top-of-the-line G and C series. Experience the simplicity with Epson Vision Guide, the powerful, full-featured vision guidance solution.
Introducing Gocator 2600 series. A powerful high-resolution camera delivers 4K resolution laser line profiling to the industry-leading Gocator 3D Smart Sensor family, achieving X resolutions up to 18 microns across scaling fields of view to solve a wide range of scanning applications. Embedded dual-core controller delivers onboard data processing with low latency. Blue Laser delivers cleaner scan data on specular targets such as machined metal surfaces. Native multi-sensor networking capability provides even greater scan coverage, and users can even capture 360 degrees of a scan target or multiple views by mixing different 2600 sensor models that optimize for field of view and resolution. Gocator 2600 sensors deliver 3D inspection into precision manufacturing applications